Hi everybody, and welcome back to Ugly Dog Lures. So I entered a little contest here a while back. Hi folks, and welcome back to Ugly Dog Lures. That's my Christmas from my daughter. It's my little Nutcracker fisherman, and he's possessed. See? Up yours.
You're not.
So.
You're not allowed to play with him anymore.
Yes, I am. Boogie, 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 boogie. So anyway, I entered a little contest and I won. And it's one of my viewers, Ron. Great guy. Fishing gonna have a brand new YouTube channel, New Hope Fishing Lures, I think is what it's gonna be called. And he hand makes the lures, folks, from start to finish. So I'm really interested and I'm really excited to open this and see what I won. I got something in my head, but Ron's kind of like me. He's kind of off the beaten path and does some different stuff, which is awesome. So Ron, thank you. Greatly appreciated. Thank you and your wife for the prayers and encouragement during our time of need. You know, that helps a lot to know that people out there actually care. So I really want to thank you and your wife, and God bless both of you. And Ron's coming. He's going to have his own YouTube channel here pretty quick, so we're going to be checking that out. And let's see what we got in here. Uh-oh. We got two. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Put that in the trash. Y'all see that? I didn't even have to look at that trash. I've been throwing in that trash for so long. So let's see what old Ron's got for me here. If y'all all remember the black flame lure that we did here a while back, that was actually a challenge from him. Boy, he wrapped that dude on right on it. You just save that.
You know I'm not kidding now.
I can't wait to take these and go fish them, folks. If I don't fish them, they're going to be put in a shadow box, because I've had several different viewers wanting to send me things, and you know, it's for me, I'm not doing this to make money. I'm doing it because I love to do it. That's why I'm doing it. This thing is looking awesome. Looky there, folks.
Oh,
handmade. That's awesome, Ron. Did your wife tell you what colors to paint that with? You know,
oh, it says M&C. Look at it, the other side.
Yeah, it says Melissa and Charlie. Thank you, Ron. That is awesome, buddy. God bless you. Love you.
That's going in the case. You're not fishing that.
Yeah, I'm fishing that.
No, you're not.
That is awesome. Love it, buddy. Let me show the boss lady over there.
I don't know if you guys can see that or not.
What else do we have in here?
Oh,
so everybody, once that Ron gets his channel up,
see the cross?
Yeah, up and going, I will let everybody know. So y'all can go over there and check his stuff out and subscribe to him and help that man get his channel going good like y'all had me. It's just so much greatly appreciated, Ron. It's awesome. I love it. And I will be working on your stuff here pretty quick. The special order that you put in, that's been on my mind for a couple of days now. I'm just trying to get myself to that point of I'm well, you know, and I feel great. But look at this crackle, and it has the cross, and it's a crackle paint.
Oh, I like that one.
Good job, Ron. Extremely
like
proud
eyes.
of you. Huh?
I like the pink eyes.
Yeah, I like the pink eyes too. So I just want to say thank you. You know, I appreciate you and your wife, and and everybody that supports my channel. And I will be fishing these.
No.
Well, I'll be fishing one of these because the other one she took from me, Ron. You see how it is, buddy?
It's mine now.
What's mine is hers, and what's hers is hers too. That just kind of leaves me out with the moonshine bottle because she don't want nothing to do with that. So I love them. I want to just say thank you so much. There we go. Handmade. Wooden lures. Awesome. Love it. So you folks have a blessed day, and we'll catch you later.